Upgrade the factory transmission oil cooler in your truck with the XDP Xtra Cool Direct Fit Transmission Oil Cooler. The XDP Xtra Cool Direct Fit Transmission Oil Coolers provide you with an upgraded bolt-on design. Each transmission cooler is built with a high-efficiency core to maximize cooling. Designed as a direct fit replacement, this transmission cooler comes ready to install with all the brackets, hardware, and accessories needed for installation. To find out more about the XDP Xtra Cool Direct Fit Transmission Oil Coolers, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.